If you want to play Farming Simulator 25, you will need to visit their website. It's visible right here. You can also just Google Farming Simulator. Now we can click on Buy Now to check all of the options available. The first one is PC Digital. That means you can activate a key on a specific platform like Steam, Epic Game Store, or Microsoft Store. And there's two options for PC Digital that you can buy. First one is just standalone Farming Simulator 25, and you can select the specific payment method that you want to use to buy it. And there's also Farming Simulator 25 Year 1 bundle. You can buy the game along with the DLCs that will come eventually during 1 year, and you can again select the payment method. Then you can choose PC DVD. That means you can install the game through the DVD drive, and again you can choose whichever market you want to buy the game in. There's also collector's edition that comes with some fancy stuff. You can check it out if you like. Next is PS5, and right here you can buy it through PS Store or through different platforms, whichever one you like. Next, we can move to Xbox Series X and S, and it's kind of similar to PS. You can just buy it from different stores. On PS4, Farming Simulator 25 isn't available. On Xbox One as well, you can't play it. On Nintendo Switch, there's no Simulator 25 as well. On mobile, also not a thing. On Mac, there's Farming Simulator 25 along with a 1 year bundle as well. Then there's 3DS and it's not available. PS Vita not available, and then there's the hardware and magazine stuff that you can buy, but that's not Farming Simulator 25, and that is basically it.